XPPen Artist 24 Pro 2.5K QHD Drawing Tablet is a professional-grade pen display built for artists, designers, and content creators who demand precision, comfort, and color accuracy. With a large immersive screen, advanced stylus technology, and productivity-focused controls, it's designed to elevate creative workflows. 2.5K QHD IPS display for sharp clarity. The 23.8-inch IPS screen features a 2.5K QHD resolution, 2560 x 1440, delivering crisp details and excellent pixel density for intricate artwork. The anti-glare film and 178-degree wide viewing angle ensure comfortable viewing from any position, making it ideal for long creative sessions. Professional color accuracy. This tablet offers an impressive color gamut of 118% sRGB, 84% NTSC, and 90% Adobe RGB, along with 16.7 million colors. A 1000.1 contrast ratio keeps both shadows and highlights clear, making it perfect for digital painting, illustration, animation, and color grading. Advanced PA2 battery-free stylus. The included PA2 stylus supports 892 levels of pressure sensitivity and 60 degrees tilt recognition, delivering smooth, natural strokes that closely mimic traditional drawing tools. With a 220 RPS report rate, every line feels responsive, precise, and consistent, ideal for detailed and expressive work. Comfortable and efficient workflow design. To boost productivity, the Artist 24 Pro features 20 customizable shortcut keys and dual red dial wheels, pre-mapped to popular software shortcuts like Photoshop. The adjustable stand up to 90 degrees allows you to find the most comfortable working angle, while the built-in pen holder keeps your stylus within easy reach. Flexible connectivity and mounting options. The tablet supports full-featured USB-C, Type-C connectivity for clean, adapter-free setup with compatible devices, along with HDMI support for wider compatibility. The reversible USB-C port ensures easy plug-and-play use, and the VESA 100x100mm mount allows flexible desk or arm mounting. Wide software and OS compatibility, compatible with Windows, Mac OS, Linux, and Chrome OS. The Artist 24 Pro works seamlessly with industry-standard software such as Photoshop, Illustrator, After Effects, Blender, Clip Studio Paint, Toon Boom, and more, making it a versatile tool for all types of creators. Overall, the XPPen Artist 24 Pro combines a large high-resolution display, accurate colors, and professional input performance into one powerful creative workstation. Backed by XPPen, it's an excellent choice for artists and designers looking for a reliable, immersive, and productivity-focused drawing display.